Over 50 active missions are racing towards Mars right now. But who will claim the title of first to land, and what secrets will they uncover beneath the rusty surface? Mars has captivated humanity for centuries, but today, it's not just a dream. Space agencies and private companies across the globe are locked in a high-stakes competition, armed with groundbreaking technology and ambitions bigger than ever before. In this video, we'll uncover the players in this cosmic race, their bold missions, and the astonishing discoveries that could rewrite everything we know about life beyond Earth. Mars. Cold, silent, 225 million kilometers away, and yet it calls to us. We've sent rovers, landers, and orbiters, but now humanity is asking, what if we go ourselves? So, why Mars? It's not just the color or the mystery. Mars is the closest planet that might actually support life, or once did. We found signs of ancient rivers, lake beds, and even subsurface ice. That means, at some point, Mars had water, and where there's water, life could follow. Some scientists believe Mars was once warm and wet, maybe even Earth-like, but something changed. The planet dried up, froze, and became the desert we see today. But here's the thing, if life ever existed on Mars, even microscopic, it means we're not alone in the universe. And if it could happen there, it could happen anywhere. Then there's the bigger question. Could Mars become our second home? Mars has frozen water. It has day-night cycles similar to Earth. It has just enough atmosphere to help, but not enough to protect us. Harsh? Yes, but maybe survivable. We're not just looking for Martians, we're looking for a future. Three space powers, one red planet. The race is on, Claude. But who's actually in the lead? Let's start with the most ambitious player, SpaceX. Elon Musk isn't just planning a trip, he wants to colonize Mars. SpaceX is building Starship, a fully reusable rocket bigger than anything we've ever flown. It's designed to carry up to 100 people to the Martian surface, not once, but again and again. Their vision? A self-sustaining city on Mars, in Musk's lifetime. Ambitious? Absolutely. But they've already begun testing. Meanwhile, NASA is playing the long game. Their Perseverance rover is already on Mars, searching for signs of ancient life. It's collecting soil samples that could be returned to Earth in the next decade.
3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Discovery, hoisting harmony to the heavens and opening new gateways for international science.
NASA's goal? First send astronauts back to the Moon, then onto Mars with proven tech. It's slow, methodical, but backed by decades of experience. And then, there's China. In 2021, they pulled off something huge. Tianwen-1, their first Mars mission, successfully put an orbiter, lander, and rover on the planet, all in one shot. They're not just catching up, they're quietly building momentum. And they've announced plans to return Mars samples by the 2030s. 3 contenders, different goals, same finish line. Who gets there first might just change history. Reaching Mars is one thing. Surviving there, that's a whole different battle. First, the environment. Mars is a killer. Its atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's. No oxygen, no protection. Temperatures drop to 100 degrees Celsius, and it's blasted by deadly radiation from the sun. One long walk could be a death sentence without shielding. Next, getting there. A trip to Mars takes 6 to 9 months, one way. Astronauts will face isolation, equipment failures, and no way to return quickly. And if something goes wrong, there's a 40-minute delay just to get a reply from Earth. Imagine calling for help and waiting half an hour just for, "We're working on it." Then there's the money. Mars missions cost billions, and not everyone sees the value. Governments change, budgets shift, public support fades, until something spectacular happens. Big dreams need even bigger commitment. But one thing's clear: if we want to make Mars home, we'll have to earn it. We're not going to Mars just to plant a flag. We're going to solve a cosmic mystery. Mars may have once looked a lot like Earth. Flowing water, a thicker atmosphere, maybe even life. If we find fossilized microbes, it changes everything. We won't be alone in the universe. We'll just be second. Then there's the future. Could humans survive on Mars? If we can extract water, grow food, and build radiation shelters, we're not just visiting, we're colonizing. And learning how to survive there could help us save Earth too. But there's more. Studying Mars helps us understand how planets form, how climates change, and what can go wrong on a world like ours. The red planet holds answers to our past, our future, and maybe our place in the cosmos.
Another picture-taking highlight, Mariner 4's voyage to Mars, a 325-million-mile journey that returned the first pictures and data ever gathered close to the mysterious red.
Right now going to internal power.
Control the vehicle to a stable attitude. Jet activity.
Radar will lock on the ground in 5 seconds from now. Current altitude 8,000 feet.
Standing by for backshell separation. We are in powered flight.
The race isn't over. It's just beginning. In the next decade, expect to see robotic missions ramp up fast. NASA and ESA plan to bring back the first Martian soil samples. China is preparing its own sample return. And India? It's aiming to join the elite Mars Club with future missions in development. But the wild card is private industry. SpaceX isn't waiting. They're testing rockets right now that could carry humans, not just to Mars, but to stay. And they're not alone. Other private companies are working on life support systems, habitats, and AI-powered mission control. Think it ends with scientists? Think again. Some experts say Mars tourism could happen within this century, for the ultra-rich at first. Imagine walking on another planet for the price of a small country. The next generation may not ask if we'll go to Mars. They'll ask, why didn't we go sooner? The race to Mars is far from over. With every launch, every experiment, and every step closer to the red planet, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible for humanity. Who will plant the first footprints? What revolutionary secrets will Mars reveal? Only time will tell, but one thing's certain. Our journey to the stars is just beginning. Who do you think will win the race to Mars? Let's get the conversation started.